Hi guys, welcome to Vinnie's Artisan journey. Have you ever craved for some tummy warming and comforting dishes at times? If your answer is yes, then you're at the right track. Cause today I'm gonna share with you how to make steamed chicken with chicken essence and DOM Benedictine. Chicken essence are made of an all-natural extract of fine quality chicken, while DOM Benedictine is a herbal liqueur produced from France. It is flavored with 27 types of flowers, berries, herbs, roots, and spices. This results in a unique, distinctive flavor which makes our steamed chicken quite outstanding. Here we need 2 whole village chicken legs. Marinate the chicken with 1 tablespoon of pure sesame oil, pour in dash of white pepper powder, half teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, and start to massage both chicken legs with your clean hand until all the seasonings are well absorbed. Ensure that the front and back part of the chicken legs are well marinated. Add in 2 tablespoons of DOM Benedictine and make sure that the chicken pieces are well coated with it. Leave in the fridge to allow them to marinate at least 2 hours. Take out from the fridge after 2 hours. Remove the cores of 4 red dates, cut into half and arrange on top of the chicken legs. Garnish with julienne ginger. Steam the chicken over high heat for 15 minutes. While the chicken is being steamed, prepare 1 tablespoon of goji berries. And also prepare 1 full bottle of the chicken essence. After 15 minutes, uncover the lid of the wok. add in the goji berries. Pour in the whole bottle of the chicken essence. I wish you were here in my kitchen to smell the aroma of the chicken. Cover back the lid and steam for another 10 minutes over high heat. Voila! Our steamed chicken with chicken essence and DOM Benedictine is ready to be served. Thanks for watching Vinnie's Artisan Journey. If you like my video, please click to subscribe and please also hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Till then, see you again.